How are you now?
I am fine. D250270.
Your age?
I am 28 years of age.
Married or single?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
I have no children yet.
Okay. Your educational background?
My highest educational attainment is TISDA for 6 months, which is Food and Beverages in CP.
Okay. Do you have working experience as a helper?
Yes.
Where?
In Philippines.
For how many years?
2 years.
How many members of the family?
3.
How many children?
1.
How old?
4 years old.
Your household duties here in the Philippines?
Taking care of the children and do household chores like washing clothes, cooking, washing dishes, marketing, ironing.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I can cook basic Chinese dishes like steamed fish, pork, and chicken.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes.
Do you know how to teach the children?
Yes, I can teach basic English and math
What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
because they offer a high salary and to support my family
Okay.
in financial needs.
Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
Do you have any nursery rhyme?
yes I have.
Sing it!
The wheel on the bus, oh go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the temperature and I will inform my employer immediately.
Okay. How do you handle a situation where the children in your care are fighting?
I will separate them and talk to them calmly and tell them fighting is not good.
Okay. In taking care of member of the house, which one you like the most? Baby, children, or elderly?
The baby and children.
Why?
Because I have experience taking care of my nieces and nephews.
Okay. If somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will inform my employer immediately.
Which part of your employer's house should be kept clean at all times?
The kitchen and the toilet to prevent bad odor and bacteria that cause food poisoning.
Okay. If you accidentally damage something in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will inform my employer and apologize.
Okay.
I am willing to replace them.
What will you do if your employer give instructions that you don't understand?
I will politely ask for clarification
Okay.
to ensure my task I will do correctly.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs?
No,
Do you have any special skills?
yes, sewing and baking and childcare techniques.
Okay. Are you willing to attend training or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes,
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I will call my family and my friends through video call.
Okay.
And I will keep myself busy
Okay.
and focus to my work.
Message for your future employer.
Ma'am, sir, I will promise to do my best to serve to your family.
Okay. Love their family as if your own.
Yes,
Follow all of the rules and regulations.
yes. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I hope to see you soon. Bye.